Yeah, should I do a giveaway on it? And let's see, I think when you see them cars with the wheelchair, they always be talking about I need to give away some and all that. I be thinking, how the hell? I'm trying to get some. I'm gonna give them. I ain't got nothing I want to give away. How you do that? Twist the soul. I don't know if he know how to do it. Yeah, that is right. Hey, that is right, Team Thundercock. Man, I be thinking about that. I don't know how I be all that busy in the day. I be feeling like I'm bullshit. I be thinking about I ain't bullshitting. What the fuck going on? What's tomorrow, Friday? I'm gonna wake up, I ain't gonna have nothing to do. Oh yeah, I do. Damn, what is this? Hey y'all, here go one of them supers. Sound like he done got some work done to it though. Uh-oh. Yeah, he done spent some money. Ooh, oh yeah, I can hear some. This one sound good. Damn, I need a good picture of his ass. I'm trying to get a good picture. I'm gonna wait until he get all the way up here. TSV for the win. I'm over here trying to get a picture of this super like he finna win the race. I should have been over there taking a picture of that Cadillac. Yeah, I should have been. I done messed up, y'all. What's that one again? You got it over here. Letting y'all see what's in the line real quick. We got a Hellcat up here. Where's your hot chocolate? I don't know, man. I need to go get it though. Where goes Stone Vet? Hey man, I'm finna go get some hot chocolate, man.
Oh hell yeah, bro.
Oh hell yeah.
Cold out there.
You need to turn the turbo up in here, man. Turn it up. Let it eat.
Let it eat.
Man, I'm finna see if I can teach old boy, man. Man, look out, man.
What's up, look out.
I'm trying to teach you. Look, no, boy, how you doing, man?
Rednecks and
Oh yeah, good time up there at Rednecks and Paychecks. Yeah. Man, I'm trying to teach you all the tricks and shit. You ain't even listening to all the tricks.
I know, look, the thing, I need somebody, when I do go to the water and come out, I need somebody to hold the car because it's going to come back this way.
Nah, it's doing that because either you ain't got enough water or you ain't getting it high enough in the RPM.
Okay.
You need to just, when you come out that water, 5,000 RPM. Look for 5,000 RPM. Hold the 5,000 with the brake, and then when you start feeling it grip, keep on that gas. Don't get off the gas. Get off the brake and just let it start going up. Okay. Don't stop in the same spot that you started the burnout at. That's not how you do it. Do not stop in the same spot that you started the burnout at. You must roll forward. You wanna make a track in front of you with that hot rubber that you burning. Okay. That hot rubber, when you stop, you messing up. Then another thing, when you do your glue burnout, that's a small burnout, 3 to 5 seconds. You barely scooted up an inch. That's when you probably need to not move as much. That's where you can do a burnout and stay in that one kind of spot after you finish. On the glue. You don't want to spread the glue all the way down the track. You want your glue right there in that little barely little spot. That's it. That's why all the rules. So that was me coaching you. We're gonna see how you do on this next run. You still winning though. Oh, he wants some more? Yeah. Let me see what he want, man. Look out, man. You got that intake?
Y'all got the intake?
Yeah. Let me see.
Nothing too crazy yet.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You got that 302 intake on there though. That's the boss.
Not the cold yet.
With the cold air intake though. What's that, 4-inch?
I don't even know.
You got a big one right there. That's about 4-inch. That's nice, man. You gonna get them this time or what?
Hey man, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
That's all I can do.
You straight motor too?
That's all I got, man. What you see is what you get.
Okay.
That's all I got.
Okay. Well, we gonna see. He got straight motor over here, man. I've been wondering what he had. Here we go, y'all.
Regular 350, dog.
It's a regular. Oh, it is. Now what you did tell me when I first met you, you said you had a 350 something.
With the MSD distributor.
Oh man.
That changed those belts right there.
Yeah.
With the 4-port radiator with the fan.
Yeah. Damn, man.
The 383, man. That's what it is.
383, man. I did.
Straight motor.
383. I remember you telling me that. But it started sounding like you had a man thing, boy. They did set the timing good.
Oh yeah, powerhouse motor. Memphis, Tennessee, baby.
Yeah, they did. They set the timing good, man, in there. It's a 350. It ain't got a 383 stroker, y'all. They did yours right, man. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Let me bring it up.
They did yours right. What y'all?